Learn HTML. History 1. Introduction to History of HTML. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991 and released HTML 1.0 in 1993. HTML 2.0 was published in 1995 with containing all the features of HTML 1.0 and adding some additional features. Similarly, HTML 3.0 was come with improved features. Then comes HTML 4.01, which is widely used and was a successful version of HTML before HTML 5.0, which is currently released and used worldwide. HTML 5 can be said for an extended version of HTML 4.01, which was published in the year 2012. Introduction. HTML is hypertext markup language used for creating web pages. HTML is a predetermined set of markup tags. HTML helps to display and share the contents through web browser. HTML describes the structure of a web page semantically and originally included cues for the appearance of the document.